the baby turtle. Oh my god. You can grab it if you want. Oh, you can? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see what they got here. The wind is blowing like crazy. Ooh, burritos. Yeah, burritos. As soon as she leaves, right?
Right.
Ooh, that looks...
Show me your shirt.
Tulum.
Guys, how cute her shirt.
Tulum.
Yeah.
Right? And it's got a Mayan on there.
So cute.
Yes, yes. But, yeah, I don't know what I want. The tacos are so cheap. That's what? $1? Oh no, that's 50 cents for 3 tacos. Fruit juice. They have melon, sandia, piña, Jamaica, which is hibiscus tea, horchata, lemon juice, papaya, lemon, conchaya, piña, frutaya, avena. Yeah, I'm getting the horchata. Are my favorite.
Do we cheers to this?
I don't know. What is...
This one's lemon with cucumber.
Ooh, mine's horchata. Hey you guys, I just got in everything. I have been getting a ton of questions from you guys about how I've been getting around Mexico. How do I get around when I'm in countries? How do I communicate? How do I know who I'm talking to and what I'm talking about? To you guys about this amazing app for you guys to use as well when you're traveling. It's literally the best language learning app I've ever used. Our language helping app as well, because the thing I love about Busuu is it gives you 2 options where you can learn the language for travel, or you can learn the language because you want to know the language in full. The app is called Busuu. I've talked to you guys about it before, but I know I have a lot of people who haven't heard about Busuu. They are sponsoring this video. Thank you to Busuu for sponsoring this portion of the video. But of course, all thoughts and opinions are my own, and everything about Busuu will be linked down below. But if you guys don't know what Busuu is, it's basically the best language learning app there is. You can learn up to 12 languages. You can learn English, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, German, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Polish, Turkish, and Arabic, which are all the main languages of the world. You know those languages, you can communicate with anybody, anywhere, any place on the planet. You have the option, and all these are included in your Busuu. You don't have to like pick one language and then pay for it. You know what I'm saying? Like all those languages are included when you download Busuu. The amazing thing about Busuu is there's over 100 million people on in the Busu community that are all helping each other. Busu allows you to connect with real native speakers and get feedback and coaching from real actual people, which makes the app really, really unique. You can connect. So say you're learning Chinese, for example, in Busu. With Premium, if you download Premium, Busu Premium, you can connect with real, actual Chinese speakers who will coach you on your speaking and writing, pinpoint which areas you specifically need to better yourself in within the language, because you're actually connecting with real people, which is an amazing feature of the app. Also, a lot of you might already know some of a language, but you want to know more, you want to be fluent, or you want to better where you are. The amazing thing about Busu, another amazing thing about Busu is you can take a placement test, so it will kind of gauge where you are in that language and then coach you based on your level. So it's not like you have to start from zero if you already know some of the language. I know a lot of people know some Spanish, some, Italian, some German, some, you know what I'm saying? So the placement test will kind of gauge and really specify where you are in the language and then coach you based on your level. And with Busu, you sign up for completely for free, but if you want to upgrade to Premium, which I highly recommend because of all the amazing features Busu Premium has, Busu's very, very affordable. It works out to about $6 to $7 a month when you buy the 12-month plan, which I highly recommend if you really want to be fluent in the language you choose. Yeah, so it's really affordable, but you can sign up for free and do a free trial with Busu, which is amazing. I've been personally using Busu to learn French. You guys know I moved to Paris last August, but since Corona, I can't be there right now. But of course, when she opens, I will be back in there. I will be the first one back in Europe when she opens. I cannot go there right now. But I still need to learn my French for when I go back with Busu, and it's literally the best. Before Busu, I didn't think that learning a language on an app was possible. Like, I was like, yeah, right, that's like a gimmick. But it's the best app, and it has everything you need. It has real people on there helping you, which is crazy, and that one of the best things about it. And it makes a study plan for you, so it'll automatically remind you it out. And like I said, say you're going to Mexico, but you don't want to really learn Spanish. You just want to be able to communicate. You go in there, you click Spanish, and you click Spanish for travel. It'll let you know everything you need to know to travel around a place where a lot of people here don't really speak English. So it's a great app to have as a traveler. Amazing. I'll have all the information down below for Busu and my link. Click on my link if you guys want to sign up. Jane will be down in this description. Let's get into the rest of the video.
Andrés, ¿me le puede echar más mozzarella? Más el sirope anaranjado, por favor? Gracias.
So good. You guys, look what we've got to eat. No, we are not sick of tacos yet. She's got, what? What do you have?
Carne asada tacos.
Carne asada tacos.
So steak.
Beef
Steak.
steak. Well, beef is steak, right? Steak tacos. I never heard of that. And then I have, of course, my shrimp tacos. This is like my 100th. These will be my 100th, 98, 99, 100 number taco for me here in Tulum, and I'm not mad about it. They're my favorite. I've got some. You can't go wrong with a fish taco in Mexico.
Fresh
Fresh fish tacos.
Shrimp from the sea.
Fresh shrimp from the sea. And then I've got passion fruit juice. She's got a spritz. Oh my god, look at those colors on that spritz, man. Oh my gosh. Doesn't get better than that. And some homemade chips and tomato sauce and oh my god, we're living the life right now. And this view, well, I'm not making the view, but I'm just mourning the loss of my tacos. The loss, they're in here, but still feels like a death. Huh?
The rebirth.
You guys, those tacos I just had were some of the best tacos I literally had in my entire life. Like, I don't know what to do with myself. I feel like I just was baptized again for the third time. My life changed.
You keep getting better.
I'm reborn. I'm reborn. Bruh, I can't even think straight. I can't even think. They're so good. What's happening into my life? Jesus made those tacos. Jesus is back there.
Yeah, literally, Jesus.
No, my father is back there. He has to be. Wait. No, not Jesus. Jesus. God. Yahweh. The beginning and the end made my tacos. That's what I want.
What are you eating?
Dulce de leche and cocoa ice cream. So good.